Every cycle begins with a small, silent promise. The bitter melon seed waits in the earth.
A simple touch, setting the stage for the life to follow.
The awakening. The casing gives way to the urge to grow. Breaking the barrier. Reaching for the first touch of light.
Two small hands reaching out to welcome the day.
The true form begins to emerge, layer by layer.
Searching. The plant starts its quest for a structure to climb. The scout, seeking a sturdy anchor in the wild garden. Finding home, a firm hold to support the journey ahead.
The ascent, a slow, steady climb toward the sky. Expanding, covering the trellis in a veil of green.
The sun warms the leaves, and the vine thrives in the heat, drinking the sunlight, nature's energy fueling the climb.
The first sign, a promise of the fruit to come.
Blooming, a flash of gold in the sea of green.
The dance of life, nature's visitors, bringing a new future.
A secret revealed, the birth of the bitter melon.
Growing larger, a tiny green lantern takes its shape.
A helping hand, guiding the vine on its natural path.
Multiplied beauty. The garden comes alive with color.
Living together. A garden shared by many tiny souls.
The fruit reaches the size of a finger, the ridges becoming more pronounced. Developing texture, the unique skin of the bitter melon becomes clear.
Vivid color, nature's palette at its finest. Checking the progress, the watchful eye of the caretaker. A maze of ridges, a design born from the earth.
The cycle continues. More life blossoms on the vine. Shining bright. A healthy vine is a source of joy.
Quiet visitors. The garden's beauty attracts all. The bitter melon is now full-grown, dark, and textured. Maturity. The lantern has reached its prime.
A sea of melons. The jian is heavy with the harvest.
Ending the day. The vine rests under the evening sky. Sleeping. The garden rests before the next day of growth.
A new beginning. The sun returns to fuel the life.
Morning jewels. A fresh start for every fruit.
The heart of the home, where the harvest is shared. A place of honor. The bounty rests after the harvest.
A job well done. The true joy of the farmer.
Texture and taste, ready to be used in a family meal. The hearth, the source of warmth and family meals. Ready to eat. The harvest nourishes the family.
Please, have some more of the paneer.
It's delicious. Dadaji really likes it. Yes, but remember what happened last time when he ate too much?
Contentment. The best harvest of all is shared love.
The garden lives on, always ready for the next round.
Left behind. Nature's bounty for those who need it.
The dance goes on. The garden is never silent. A moment to pause, respecting the rhythm of the seasons.
The cycle of life, peaceful and eternal. The future is already here. A new vine begins.
A gentle start. The future needs love to grow.
A sturdy frame. The garden prepares for its next guest.
Ready for change. The beauty of growth is never ending.
A brand new day. Sunlight warms the earth once more. The new sprout is growing taller each day, reaching out. The hunger to grow is timeless, stronger than before. The lesson of the past helps the future. Endless potential. Life finds a way to thrive. Hope springs eternal. The farmer knows the value of patience. The same beauty. A repeat of the wonders that came before. The green blanket, covering the world in life.
The golden light. Everything feels right in the garden. The soft touch of nature. Everything is in its place.
Simple life. The happiness found in the garden's embrace.
Abundance. Life thrives where it is tended with care.
Fresh and vibrant. The promise of the next harvest. Home at the top. The vine completes its climb.
Simple wonder. The world of plants is a miracle.
A thriving home. Everything is growing perfectly.
The spirit of creation. Everything starts with a seed. Good night, garden. The cycle continues in your sleep.
Genesis motion. Honoring the rhythm of life.